Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in my today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a secret dollar arbitrage strategy that a lot of traders have been doing low-key on the Bitget platform to make good profits. You don't have to fear the risks of losing your money. All you need is to get your Bitget account verified by Bitget, a very good amount of capital, and make sure you do your calculations and your findings before you dive into this process. So guys, this is the inner interface of the Bitget platform, and this is what we're going to be using to perform today's arbitrage. So guys, I want you guys to be coming over here to the P2P trading section. In case you can't find yours at this section or at this top section over here, you can come over here to more. Then you find P2P over at all these icons over here. As you can see P2P over here. So all you have to do is click on it. So guys, I want you guys to be changing this sign to the USDT to NGN because of this USDT and NGN we're going to be using for this particular strategy. This side should be at the USDT and this side should be at the NGN. So guys, the next thing is that we're going to be coming over to the sales section in the P2P market, and then we're going to be creating ads such as this merchant over here to be getting USDT at a very cheap rate to us that is going to be profitable to us. If you come over here, you can see the price of USDT currently is at 1494.6, 1494.3, and so on and so forth. So there's a even profitable rate. So guys, if you want safe, you can even set your own price to a more profitable rate than this. You can set your own to a price of about 1492, 1491, and so on. But that's if you want to be patient enough to gain a lot of profit. But if you are in a hurry to make your profits, you can set it at a price below the first person's price. But just make sure that you maintain a profit margin of 3. What do I mean by a profit margin of 3? If you imagine if you just came into the market and you see the price to be 1494 points, let's say 1494.3. if you had came to the market and you see the price to be at that range, and then you set your own buy price to be at a price of 1490, now you have gone below the profit margin of 3 because you went 4 steps downward. So you have gone below the profit margin of 3. And imagine if you should set it at a price of 1497 or 1498, you have gone above the profit margin of 3 again, because of the price at which your fellow merchants are trading at was a price range of 14. You check the first merchant that you see on the market, you check his price range, and if his price range is at a price range of 1494, so you have to maintain a profit margin of 3. Either you go to 1494, 1495, 1492, 1491. Those are maintaining the profit margin of 3. That's what I mean. So guys, currently the first person on the market, the first merchant on the market here right now is having his price to be at a price range of 1494. So if we want to go, I'll say we can go with a price range of 1494.3. That's if you have a lot of amount of naira with you that you want to use and perform this. But guys, you should take note that if you want to involve in this kind of strategy, you should have a very large amount of capital, because of, in order to become a merchant, you are going to be getting USDT from a lot of people. Anybody that wants to sell their USDT, they will come to the P2P market to come and sell USDT to you. And a lot of people, there are always a very wide range of people that are always selling USDT every day online. So a lot of people are going to come to you. So you should have a very large amount of capital, such as like 1 million, 2 million and above, in order to become like all these guys. Because if you check their current USDT with them, you can see they're having a large amount of USDT with them. So in order to become like them, you have to have a large amount of capital with you in order to indulge in this strategy. So I'll be using a quantity of 2 million naira to explain this particular process for you guys. So I want us to be taking note of this. This is what I mean when I say you guys should always calculate your profit before you indulge in the market. This is how to be calculating. So I've taken note of my capital that I want to use and indulge in this process. I've taken note of the buying rate I want to use and buy USDT from people. That's people that are coming to the market to sell USDT to me. So guys, now we know that our capital we're going to use is 2 million naira, and we're going to be using a buy rate of 1494. Now let's find out how much or how many USDT we're going to be getting back if we should use this amount of capital. So you come to your calculator and you million naira by 1494.3, which is our buying rate. So guys, as you can see, our total cashback is going to be 1338 USDT. So I want us to write this also. So our total cashback will be 1338.4 USDT. So guys, now that we have gotten a lot of USDT at a very cheap rate, the question now is that where are we going to go and sell this our USDT for a profitable rate? So in case you're just coming across my video for the first time, guys, I drop a lot of crypto arbitrage strategies you can indulge in once ever I found the opportunity online. So in case you find my video helpful, you can smash up on the like button and also subscribe so you can get more videos such as this. So guys, follow me through. I'll be showing you guys where you can sell your USDT for a very profitable at a very profitable rate. So guys, over here at the buy section, I want you guys to be coming back to the buy section. So guys, as you can see, as of now, the current rate of USDT at the buy section of the P2P market is a rate of 1499.4 and so on. So if you can also come to the buy section and then you create an ad to sell your USDT at this place where people come to buy USD, so you become a merchant such as these guys over here too, and then so you become like these guys, and then people be coming over here to come and buy USDT from you that you have already gotten your USDT at a cheap rate. So that's the idea of this process. So you are going to set your own price to a price that is going to be profitable for you. Say you should set your price at a rate of 1499. Say you should set your price at a rate of 1499. So if we write that over here, let's calculate how much will be your profit to be sure that this process will be profitable for you. Let's calculate. First of all, we're going to get our total cash back before we now calculate our profit. So we're going to take this rate of 1499.5 and multiply it times the total USDT that we have, which was our cash back, and we had a total of 1338 USDT. So if we should multiply that by our new rate that we're going to be selling the USDT, we're going to be selling it at a rate of 1499.5, and as you can see, we'll be getting a new total cashback of 2,06,331,000 naira. So if we should take this, our new total cashback, and our capital from it, that's how we're going to be getting our profit. So if we should take that, as you can see, 2,631,000 minus 2 million naira, we are going to be getting a total of 6,331 naira per trade, and you can do this process on and on again. That is the advantage of arbitrage strategy, and you can see that this particular strategy tends not to be risky. Your money is not at risk. All you have to do is make sure you do the right calculation before you dive into the market and do your findings. Have a good amount of capital. Make sure your Bitget account is verified by Bitget to indulge in this process, and you'll be able to indulge in this particular process. This is a strategy that a lot of traders are doing currently to make good amount of capital. In case you don't know how to create ads on the Bitget platform, I have dropped a video on how to create ads on the Bitget platform. You can check up on some of my other videos and you see the video on how to create ads on the Bitget platform. If you find this video helpful, please smash on the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and you can share too. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on my next video.